Get that butt up. Let's get that little butt up in the air.
There you go.
That's not what I meant there. There you go. Come on. Hey, Daddy, you want to go help her get up on her knees?
She's almost there. You're almost there. Let me see you. Wow.
Unsuccessful. She wasn't up on her hands this time, though.
Oh, there you go. Wow. There we go. Oh, oh. We tipped over. We tipped over.
We're just not performing right now.
But we want the bottle. We like the bottle. That's our favorite toy.
It is.
We should just start saving them and giving them to her as toys. Just surround her with them and see what she does. Or build like a castle with them and then let her knock it down.
Almost, baby girl, almost. It's got those legs up under you.
She can drink it.
She knows where that. She knows how to drink it.
She's seen us doing it so much. Oh, look at that baby girl!
Get the other, bend the other knee.
Man,
Oh.
you need more push-ups than I can.
I know.
And apparently butt-ups.
What?
Oh no! Oh no! You rolled over!
I know.
Oh no! You know how to roll over.
Get back over there.
You know how to roll over.
You're not going to sit up like that. There you go.
That's a good baby girl.
Get back to it.
Oh,
It's out of range now. You gotta go get it.
She's already going backwards. You're going the wrong way.
Because she doesn't get her knees up there, so she just pushes herself back. There you go.
Oh.
Very good.
You can do it. You can get it. Oh,
Do a little side step.
our legs got tired.
There we go.
You can do it. You can do it, Samantha. It's right there. You can see it. It's in your sight.
The arm's about to go out. We watch it. She's gonna
Oh.
fall.
Oh.
Oh.
It's in range again, at least. Yay! Oh, it's out of range again. Oh, we got it. Yay. Yay!
This video is like 4 minutes long. Get it. Oh, she could go get it. Motivation.
Look at that. She's doing so good. Oh my god. All we did was put her up there a couple times and she's already going for herself.
Yep.
Look at that. She already got her knee up. Her knee forward.
Mm-hmm. You can do it, baby girl.
There you go. Get the other knee up there. All I have to do is get that other knee up and it's in range.
You have to help me edit this video down later. It's almost 5 minutes long. I'm sure my phone's gonna cut it off soon here anyway.
She totally did it. That's awesome. I want to see her just get it.
She's calculating how do I do this?
Oh no, we're going backwards.
No, no, no.
All you have to do is lay down, baby girl.
Push forward. You can do it. You gotta move the arms too.
Oh no, you're sliding backwards. No, we're no longer in range.
Whoop.
Oh,
Oh,
well, you did so good. But you did so good. She's like, okay, whatever.
I got these toys. I'm good.
Oh, if I can get over. Yeah.
Yeah.